Welcome back to Global Knowledge Factory. Before we start, be sure to subscribe for more amazing videos. The railway workshop of Mughalpura is situated in A. Rawalpindi, B. Multan, C. Karachi, D. Lahore. Answer is D. Lahore. The book Kutbat-e-Ahmadiyya is written by A. Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan, B. Abdul Aleem Sharad, C. Sir Syed Amir Ali, D. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Answer is D. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. At the time of independence, which community was in the majority in the state of Kashmir? A. Muslim, B. Hindu, C. Sikh, D. Christian. Answer is A. Muslim. In which year the Kashmiris started their freedom movement against Dogra rule before the partition of the subcontinent? A. 1935, B. 1930, C. 1920, D. 1928. Answer is B. 1930. In which of the following cities Indian National Congress was found? A. Delhi, B. Bombay, C. Kanpur, D. Allahabad. Answer is B. Bombay. In which of the following city All India Muslim League was found? A. Delhi, B. Allahabad, C. Dhaka, D. Lahore. Answer is C. Dhaka. Who was the Viceroy of India at the time of partition of Bengal? A. Lord Curzon, B. Lord Wavell, C. Lord Minto, D. Lord Elgin. Answer is A. Lord Curzon. Who was the first president of All India Muslim League? A. Saraga Khan, B. Nawab Waqarul Mulk, C. Nawab Salimullah Khan, D. None of them. Answer is A. Saraga Khan. In which year Aligarh Trusteeship Bill was passed? A. 1986, B. 1987, C. 1988, D. 1889. Answer is D. 1889. In which year Sayyid Jamaluddin Afghani died? A. 1995, B. 1996, C. 1897, D. 1998. Answer is C. 1897. Thanks for watching and wait for the next video.